skyrocketing fuel prices got you down? Well, let's take our first look of the Weltmeister W5 EV crossover. First of all, this front end features this futuristic looking grille. What grill? It doesn't have a grill. What you have right there is the power outlet for you to charge this thing. It actually takes around 35 minutes to charge this thing from 15% to 85%. But if you use a regular wall charger, it does it overnight. Plus you get above 400 kilometers on a single charge. So how do you fill this thing up? Just give us a press, and there it is. Now you can definitely leave everyone behind in this thing because of 215 horsepower and 315 Newton meters of torque, which is the equivalent of this EV. And everyone you're gonna leave behind on the highway will see this. You got this huge light bar of a tail lamp that's really looking futuristic, plus you got those sporty looking air vents on the side. You got a camera right here in the back that supports a 360-degree field of view, which we'll take a look in the inside. Now the future is definitely here, but the important part about EVs is that it's gotta look like a normal car, like a crossover in this case. But here's one thing that's really futuristic. How do you open the doors? Press it right there. And the door handle reveals itself, lets you enter the interior. Just because this is from the future, it doesn't mean it doesn't have to be luxurious. And luxury is something that it has in spades. You got soft touch everything, the dashboard, the steering wheel, the side door panels, even the armrests. Everything seems to be swathed in leather, and I really like it. But what I love the most is this huge 15.6 touchscreen infotainment system. I'm not even gonna call this an infotainment system. This must be the brains of the entire car because you can control everything about the W5 from right here. Very Tesla-like. Why do you need an iPad when you got this right here? Also, the comfort is absolutely amazing. You can adjust the steering wheel for rake and reach, and you can even adjust your seats with this power setting, as well as the passenger. Rear amenities is great as well. This is a crossover SUV after all, and we've got tons of space for 3 people and their cargo. So let's start that engine. Oh wait, it's already started. This is an EV after all, no gas required. So setting this to drive, you gotta use this nice shifter right here. It's actually a knob instead of a traditional shifter. It may take some getting used to, but once you do, it's definitely amazing, and it's the only way to drive an EV. Now setting off, like I said, it's got 215 horsepower and 315 Newton meters of torque, the equivalent of course, and a pull. Crazy. Power delivery is instantaneous, no need for revving up like a usual internal combustion engine. Once you need the power, do you need 350 Newton meters of torque? No torque curve required, you're right there. At least we know the brakes work, but what do you think? What do you think of the Weltmeister W5? Leave us a comment in the comment section down below if you have any questions about it, and watch out for our video, so make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss it. This is Roy Robles. This is our quick look at the Weltmeister W5. I'll see you guys next time.